how to invoke the spirit of the land, the spirit of the water against police case, court case, or any other serious case you have. If eventually you have a police case or you have a court case, somebody want to intimidate you because you don't have anybody, and you want the land, you want the spirit of the water to intervene in that case so that you can be able to get justice. Mostly this ritual is for those that are innocent, not people that are guilty. If you are innocent and somebody that is higher than you are maltreating you, humiliating you, using law enforcement agents, you can invoke the spirit of water, you can invoke the spirit of the land to intervene, to make the judge or anybody that is in charge of that case to rule the case in favor of you. How it will happen? It will be like magic. The person will not know when they give you a fair judgment. But one thing about it, you must be innocent. You must make sure that you are not responsible of what they are accusing you. So if you are not innocent, don't do this one. This one is for justice. This material is what you need. If you have somebody that live abroad and the person have such case abroad, you can do it on behalf of that person, so far that you have relation with that person. It can be your best friend, it can be your brother, it can be your sister that you live abroad. You can perform the ritual, but you must make sure that the day you will be doing the ritual is the day the person have the case, like the day they will call the person's case in court for hearing. That's the day you perform the ritual, in the morning of that day, so that nature will fight the battle. Now, this is what you will do. Get a cup of water, glass cup, white glass cup. You can get, if you can be able to get lemon water. Lemon water is very, very good. But if you cannot be able to get lemon water, get stream water. These two types of water is what you need. Either you get lemon water or stream water. When you get the stream water, get further water and mix it with that stream water. But if you get lemon water, don't mix it anything. If you are in Africa and you are seeing this video this period, you can get the lemon water. When there is rain, get bucket, put it on top of table, put it outside. That rain that coming direct from the sky will enter it. So when the water enter it, don't put it on the floor. Use gallon, transfer the water inside the gallon and put it on top of something. Never you touch the water on the ground. That is how you can get the lemon water. Now, in the day of the case, this is what you will do. If you're a woman, maybe if the person that have the case is a woman, you get 7 seeds of alligator pepper. If the person that have the case is a man, you get 9 seeds of alligator pepper. If you are the person that is having the case, you are the person that having the case, that is what you will do. If the person want to represent also is a man or a woman, you will follow the same direction by getting 7 seed as a woman, 9 seed as a man. Now, go out in front of your house. Pick a sand, little sand, in front of your house. If you want to do it when sun is coming out in the morning. Depend your time. That's sun that coming out around 8, 9, 7:30 in the morning. That is where you face. Now, the day you do this, make sure the day you do this, don't make love with anybody. If it can be possible for you to do spiritual cleansing, you do it against that particular day. You can do egg cleansing by using egg to clean all your body from the head to toe. Remove any negative energy, any force that will be a hindrance, that will be an obstacle from the work. You remove egg, clean all your body, remove it. After that, put it in your left palm and break it before you perform the ritual, so that you can be able to get accurate result of this. Now, when you use your hand, right hand to pick sand, use your left hand to hold the water. The 7 seed of alligator pepper or 9 seed is already inside your mouth. You come out in front of your house, barefooted. If it is you, mention your name 7 times. If it is your brother or your friend or your sister, mention the person's name 7 times and start declaring what you want. Start invoking the spirit of the land, the spirit of the water. Land is the same everywhere. So you say that as you mention the person's name, this case, they are accusing you, you are innocent. You did not commit the atrocity. You did not commit anything. But because you don't have anybody to intervene, that is the reason why they are intimidating you. But from today, if you know the name of the judge or the police that handle the case, you say, from today, I invoke the spirit of the land, the spirit of the water, to enter. You mention the person's name, to force that person to say the truth, to give you a fair hearing, to give you judgment. Let nobody use money or any other material things to confuse the judge or the police that handle the case. So as you are holding all these things, the alligator pepper is in your mouth. Be chewing it, but don't swallow it. You said everything, how you want that case to be, how you want your brother, your sister, or yourself to get judgment. So after saying everything, play at least for 20 to 30 minutes. After saying everything, this is what we'll do. Face where nobody will match the water or sand. Spit that alligator pepper on the air. Now, pour the water and the sand the same place, the same direction where nobody will match it, and left. The battle is over. Watch how that case will go. Watch how your brother or your sister or yourself will get judgment through the case. If they want to bribe the judge with material thing, with money, the judge will not accept. The judge can never accept them. So far, you are innocent of what they are accusing you. Not people that are guilty. Not people. If you are guilty, don't do this particular one. There is a special work for that one. This one is for people that are innocent, but they are accusing for nothing they did not do. Through the power of nature, you will get judgment. You will be free. Go and do it and witness the miraculous power of nature. Remain blessed.